Welcome to the channel Bird Song and Aviary. Today we're in Boskoop, the Netherlands, at a small bird market. Some of you wanted me to do a voiceover, so yeah, let's give it a try. Before you get into the video, please do like and subscribe. It will mean a lot if you did. So thank you. This is like a small bird market in comparison to the others we have been to. I only think you have like 5 or 6 rows of birds, so not that many. You will only find like the smaller birds over here, or mainly the smaller birds, sometimes the bigger, but mainly the smaller ones like the canaries, or like the different type of finches, the European finches, or the tropical finches, like the exotic birds. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. And also let me know in the comment section like what kind of birds do you want to see? Like, do you want to see the canaries? Do you want to see the goldfinches? Or the bigger birds like the parrots? You let me know in the comment section. I will try to focus more on that kind of bird the next time if there is a bird market. But yeah, it's difficult to film sometimes because I also breed birds. So I can film and buy birds at the same time. It's a bit difficult because you only see like 12 minutes of footage, but if I filmed everything, it would be probably like an hour long. And when you see a bird you like, you have to buy it because maybe someone else will buy it. So as you can see, you have a lot of canaries. Like I told you before, this type of bird market you will only find like the smaller birds, like the canaries in different type of color variations. These are like the smaller canaries, like the Raza Españols. And also sometimes you have like a couple of goldfinches, but the quality of them, some of them are good, some of them are bad, some of them are old. So it's difficult to find like the more expensive bird. But these look pretty okay to me. These are like the pied goldfinches. They're like pretty expensive birds. Over here we have the golden finches. I don't know much about this type of birds. I only know like that they're small and they're like exotic birds. I don't breed this type of bird. So let me know in the comment section like what colors are they, like how do you call them, how do you name them. And also let me know like what type of bird do you breed or do you want to breed this season. Or maybe other video ideas like what do you want me to make videos about or of. I've been breeding birds for over like 10 to 15 years now, so I do have a lot of experience. I won't say a lot, I'm still figuring things out like everybody else does, but let me know in the comment section what type of videos I should make. A lot of you have been asking me about the prices of these type of birds, but it's difficult to ask everyone like what's the price, because if sometimes they don't like it if you ask the price and you won't buy it. They're like, why are you filming this type of birds? But yeah, let me know in the comment section. The canaries are mainly like not expensive in this area. And they go for like 20 or more. And mainly you have to buy them as a couple. They don't like sell females alone. Sometimes they do, but mainly not. And also let me know what you look for in a bird when you go into a bird market. Let me know what you're looking for. Like, how do you determine whether you buy a bird or not? Do you look at the feet? Do you look at the eyes? Do you look at the price? Let me know. So, like I said, this type of bird markets, it's difficult to find like really, really, really great quality birds. There are like many options. They're like like one of each. Especially these type of birds we can see right here. Sometimes you find them, sometimes you don't. It's mainly like the smaller birds, like the canaries. Also, let me know what you're looking for in a bird if you're going to a bird market. Do you look at the feet? Do you look at the age of the bird? Do you look at the feathers of the bird or the eyes? Let me know. If you're looking for a pet like this type of birds, like the bigger parrots, then I wouldn't suggest like buying it at a bird market. You buy it at like someone who trains birds, so it's like tame and it's comfortable sitting at the living room. Like most of the birds we breed outside, so when you take them from outside inside the house, it's going to be a little bit stressful for the bird, and also for you if you don't have the knowledge. Like it's going to be difficult, and stress is what kills a bird. So yeah, it's difficult. If you're a bird breeder, then you already know the deal. Like you already know if you're gonna buy it or not. Then it actually don't matter whether it's well from inside or outside. Mainly we keep the birds like outside. In this type of areas, it's difficult to tell because a lot of these bird breeders live in like the city, so it's difficult. Therefore, you have like a lot of like smaller birds. Here we have like a couple of red siskins. I also breed like red siskins, and they look very pretty healthy to me. Now you have like here like the smaller brimstone canary, like the middle sized one.
Gratis reclame.
So here I had like a small interaction while filming. Like a fella said, like now you have to buy the bird because I was filming, but I was like, it's free advertisement, buddy. So that's why it's difficult to film sometimes. I know they mean it jokingly, but sometimes like this type of bird markets, like sometimes you can't sell the bird like this one. Would you buy it? I wouldn't buy it. Like why would you take it to a bird market? Like it's not good advertisement for yourself. Also, like if one bird is sick, like the others will be probably be I will be sick too. I'm not saying like always, but that's how my mind works. Like if I see like a fella with one sick bird, I think like maybe the others will be sick too. So it's like difficult to buy like birds at a bird market. It's not always a hit. Sometimes a hit, sometimes a miss. Like these type of canaries, you have to give like red water or red egg food to get them this bright and red. So yeah, it costs a lot of money. These are like mostly egret canaries. Like you see the difference between the male and the female. The male has like a big red mask, but the female doesn't have like a big red mask. A little bit of red around the eyes, but it's the female. Yeah. So the white one in this is the male, and the other one is the female. You can use this type of females to breed like mules, especially with the goldfinch. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll probably see you the next time.